Hello guys, today I'll show you how to buy Pepe Coin on Coinbase Wallet. Firstly, open the Coinbase Wallet app and go to the Portfolio tab. Tap on Buy. If you want to purchase crypto or transfer, if you're moving assets from another wallet or exchange, select the cryptocurrency you want to buy or transfer. Pick your payment method, such as a linked bank account, credit or debit card, or available funds in your Coinbase account. Double-check the details, including fees, and confirm the transaction to complete the process. And that's it, your crypto purchase or transfer is now underway. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from crypto.com to Coinbase. Firstly, open the Coinbase mobile app and go to the Receive option. Choose the crypto, Ethereum, Bitcoin or wherever you want to receive. Copy the wallet address provided by Coinbase. Now, open your Trust Wallet. Now, go to the crypto.com website, log in, then choose Withdraw. Copy the Binance. Copy the Coinbase address that you have copied earlier, then paste it there. Select the amount and click Send. All you have to do now is wait for it to come to your Coinbase account. Then you can use it to buy another crypto or just store it there. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.